I guess it wasn't too long, but it was long enough.
Alright, ready?
Oh my gosh, I gotta shit.
Fuck, you asshole!
Lord, anger management.
You know we be flexing in that Ford truck. We got our cold brews with espresso shots in it, and Todd got a tomato basil sandwich.
Is it okay?
No. You do not wash white and black shit together, man. You and your mama do that shit. How many times I got to tell you? It fucks shit up, man.
It was an
You
accident.
have black socks with white balls and shit
It
on.
slipped. It was a pure accident.
That's bullshit, man. Fuck, I'm gonna fuck some of your shit up.
Please don't.
I'm going to.
Please don't. What are you gonna fuck
Like,
up?
I'm going in the garbage.
My clothes?
Take them bitches off. You ripping them.
No, don't. It's all I got.
I don't give a damn. You better get
all
some
I
out
got.
like them some bitches anyway.
Because my butt shows.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
It's bullshit. Oh my, where's Tippy at? Tippy, what are you doing? All right, we're at Lou's house cleaning, and he's teaching us how to make peppers.
This is how you make stuffed peppers. You pick them up, you open the oven.
Wait, what's on top?
They're stuffed with meat and seasoning and tomato sauce.
Green bell peppers?
Yep,
What's on the bottom?
spinach.
Nice.
And then you just put them in the oven.
How long? 350?
350 for 60 to 70 minutes.
That long?
Yep.
Okay.
So I do an hour.
Do you like yours pink or all the way done?
Not pink, but not all the way done either. Kind of medium.
Nice.
And they are outstanding.
Why haven't you used this yet?
Because I don't want to wreck it. If I put stuff in it, it doesn't matter how clean I get it, it'll rot. You know what I
Really?
mean? Yeah,
But there's a case inside.
I know. But it's like if you don't use it all of the time and keep
Okay.
constant liquor flowing through it, if you use it one time and then put it up, even if you clean it out, it'll rot and it'll stink and you won't be able to ever use it. At least the way it is.
Oh, it
I
looks
can-
good,
I
though.
can use it.
I like it.
Looks too cool.
It's definitely one of those shits where you gotta take your ring off so you don't get shit on your hand when you wipe.
Go outside. Look at that wetness. Go outside, man. You shouldn't have been out there lifting damn weights. Lost your damn mind.
Hello everyone, currently grinding coffee right now in my Coors Light shirt. The bathroom was the only peaceful place to come to talk to the camera. I'm fixing to do a banded glute workout. Can't do anything heavy. Been to the chiropractor 5 times now. Should have been vlogging this whole time, but I got some problems going on that I'll tell you about maybe in the next vlog, maybe I won't. But I might record this workout, so. I want to live, I want to die.
I got lettuce, so we can have a salad.
You did? Did you get arugula? Damn.
I went by myself yesterday, then nobody could help me.
Mom sent you a list.
Yeah,
Is this coffee? You're fixing to marinate steaks in coffee?
absolutely. And beer.
Mixed.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, you can tell already.
I hope it's not This is the new cat, Scuffles. This is not cornbread. Scuff has a big head and large ears and small eyeballs, and a scuff on his nose. Therefore, the name Scuffles.
Remember, I'm a tiger. That's gross.
Ended up eating most of that steak. It's 10:04 p.m. now, and my stomach hurts and I'm shitting everywhere. Cheers to a delicious steak that never ceases to make you poop.